Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys a simple pink eye makeup tutorial that's perfect for every occasion. And guys, this is so easy to do, literally 3 colors. And if you like it, let's get into it. I've been out of my head. So guys, I already started with a set it face. I do have a video over there. You can click right there. And I have a video already on foundation, on how to apply. If you would like to look at that. I just didn't want to make this video so long, so I wanted to get straight into it. So here y'all, I'm just adding a light, soft, sultry brown color, which is what we would call the transition shade. I usually will put that into my crease and just blend that out, and then I will blend the outer part of that crease as you see there. So here again, I just pack that color right into that crease, and then I will go in to blend that inside the crease, and then I will move outward and blend that shade outward. I put a dress on today. I don't care what you say. And I'm ignoring my So now I'm adding a pretty baby pink color to the center of my lid. Guys, like I said before, less is more. So I would just pack as you go and build up. So here, that's all I'm doing here is just adding that pretty baby pink color to the center of my lid. Guys, this do not have to be perfect. This can be messy because we're going to go back in and we're going to blend everything together. So now I'm just going to add a deeper brown reddish color to the end of my eyelid, and I'm going to take that color midway of the crease. So I usually just pack that color in there, and then I would take it midway of that crease line. So here again, pack that color starting at the end of the eyelid, and then you would take it to the mid of your crease. Now I'm going to take my blending brush and I'm going to now blend out those harsh edges just to make it look more softer. And I'm also using that same technique that I did with the transition shade, with just blending it into that crease and then moving outward with the blending process. So here I'm adding an even darker brown plum color to the end of the eye just to give it a little bit more depth and give it a little bit more richness and deepness. So I'm just adding that color and I'm doing that same technique, packing that color on first and then continuing out with that blending process. And literally guys, this is literally it for this look. Like I literally only use 3 colors. So it's a really easy and really simple, y'all. And then I just blend all of that out just to take those harsh edges away. Now I did go back in and I did re-add me some more of that baby pink color, because when you add that and you blend your crease, it does normally take away that color that you did have on there previously. But that's okay guys, just go in and just add that color right on top. So here, y'all, this is literally the final look. And just to let you guys know, I will have more videos that's into depth about certain makeup products, far as false eyelashes, foundation, setting powder. I will be having more videos into depth on how to use these makeup products very soon, guys. So guys, this is literally the final look. Like, I'm just literally just finishing up the final touches on this look, and I'm literally done with this makeup look, honestly. So here, y'all, I did take that transition color mixed in with that dark plum color, and I did add that at the bottom of my eyelids. So y'all, here, this is just basically finalizing the finishing touches. And y'all can sit back, enjoy the music, and I'll be right back on here, guys, to show you the final look. White hot angel with the daredevil's brain. This feeling, I just can't fight it. You know all the ways I like it. My north, you're my south, you're my east, you're my west. When you see me at my worst, try to make me feel my best. This love, we just can't deny it. You know all the ways I like it. You holding me, tangled up in these sheets. Holding you, holding me, easy love. Wednesday night just hanging out, us two. Just got home and you turn on some blues. Then tell me you're hungry, I go order Chinese. Wednesday night it's easy love with you. Okay, okay, okay. I'm your sunshine mixed with a little hurricane. White hot angel with a daredevil's brain. This feeling, I just can't fight it. You know all the ways I like it. My north, you're my south, you're my east, you're my west. When you see me at my worst, try to make me feel my best. This love, we just can't deny it. You know all the ways I like it. You holding me, tangled up in these sheets. Holding you, holding me, easy love. You holding me, tangled up in these sheets. Holding you, holding me, easy love. Like a drive in the sun, windows down, music on. We've got nothing but time. Feel the breeze in my head, baby, we be cruising. Oh, oh, oh. Na na na, na na na, na na na, na na na. Sunshine mixed with a little hurricane. White hot angel with a daredevil's brain. This feeling, I just can't fight it. You know all the ways I like it. My north, you're my south, you're my east, you're my west. When you see me at my worst, try to make me feel my best. This love, we just can't deny it. Yeah, you know all the ways I like it. Yeah, you know how I like it, baby. Got me tangled all up in these sheets. Yeah, holding you, holding me, easy love. Yeah, you and me, yeah. Got me tangled up all in these sheets. Holding you, holding me, easy love.
lazy Sunday mornings, hiding under covers. I don't mind staying in with you. Play your favorite movie, laying right beside me. I don't mind when it's just us two. That corner coffee shop we like to go. Late night walks with you to take me home. With you I never feel alone.
These little songs make me glad to call you mine. And you have got my head in the clouds.
1, 2, 3. All that I need is your body next to me on rainy days. Just need your company.
So this is the finished look, guys. Boom. So here you go. This is the finished look. Like I said, this was such a very easy and simple makeup look that anybody can do. And guys, I want to thank you guys if you tuned into this video towards the end. I appreciate the love, and thank you guys, and happy Valentine's Day to everybody. And guys, I'll see you in the next video. Love and peace, y'all. Bye bye.